जे बाबडे गरीब लोक जे भांगरा रीण दवरून काढतात, कोणाकडे आपल्या सोयऱ्याकडेन मागतात, हे पैसे हे मंत्री करप्शन करून भोगतात, गाडयो घेऊन भोंवतात. यांचेर पयलीं ईडी आणि सीबीआय जावपा जाय मरे. हे कशे रातयान व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो गाडयो घेऊन भोंवता म्हाका समजना. 2-2, 3-3, 4-4 करोडाच्यो गाडयो.
BJP must come clean. The government must come clean. We are demanding this investigation, inquiry under Commission of Inquiries Act should be constituted and headed by a retired High Court judge. The bigger game also has to be seen. O munis कोण पैसे घेयला, o ही बायल कोण पैसे घेयल्या, आनी कोणा लोकांक को पैसे घेयले, पैसे घेवन कोणाक गायले जाल्यार जॉबार, her accounts, her assets of family members, the entire picture has to be seen. That SLA, when these are certain cases, these are called cases under the PMLA Act. The enforcement directorate should take over this investigation.
BJP म्हणता स्कॅम भायर सरलेच ते सरकारान फुडाकार घेतिल्ल्यान चौकशी योग्य दिशेन चल्ल्या, आरोपींक अटक जाता, मालमत्ता जप्त जाता. लोकांक विश्वास आसा म्हूण खंय लोक कागाळी करपाक मुखार आयल्यात.
When the first FIR was registered and when Honorable Chief Minister has made it very clear that on his proactiveness and on the proactiveness of the government, the first FIR has been registered and action is being taken. Thereafter, people have come and filed complaints. What does it mean? The firmness of the government in taking action against the corrupt has given confidence to these people who have been cheated to come and file police complaints so that action can be taken against these conmen and conwomen. What some opposition party is saying, I opened up by saying that all of this has been exposed. These conmen and conwomen have been exposed because of governmental proactiveness and action. The opposition, what they are talking there, I mean, government, they want to politicize. Government is interested in a complete investigation. Let investigation be done.
Bureau Report, Prudent.